Hello friends, myself Rohit. Today I will discuss the VMAX multiple choice questions which is important for the various university exams. So let's start my first question. First question is says that HSDPA stand for. So the HSDPA stand for high speed downlink packet access. So option number B is the correct. Next question. The 802.616A standard frequency extend from. So the frequency extend from is 2 to 11 gigahertz. Next question. ATM work on which network layer? So the ATM is work on layer number 2. Option number C is the correct. Next question. Using array directional antenna to direct the radio frequency into an area is called. So the area is called as the sectorizing. So the right answer is option number A. Next question. DDoS refer to. So the DDoS refer to distributed denial of service. Denial of service. So the right answer is option number A. Next question. OFDM has not an high peak to average power ratio PAPR. So the right answer is option number A is correct. This statement are true. Next question, question number 7. OFDM allowed to get. OFDM stand for orthogonal frequency division multiplexing, allowed to get an ISI free communication over a high dispersive channel. So this statement is false because not work in this. Next question. OFDM has an high spectral efficiency. So the right answer is this statement is false. OFDM is widely adopted in the most recent high data rate communication. Is this statement are true or false? So friends, this statement is false. OFDM has been a specified design for the multiple users scenarios. So the right this statement is true. Next question, question number 11. Which is the wrong statement about the MAC connection? So the MAC connection wrong statement is more than one service can be transported on it. So this statement is wrong. Option number A is correct. How many kind of MAC headers are defined for the MAC frame without payload? So the right answer is option number C, 2. Which kind of access category implemented by the OFDM? So the right answer is an hybrid TDMA FDMA, which is not an element functionality of the connectivity service network domain. So the right answer is ASN gateway. Next question. Which entity has the final decision on every change of the QoS of the service flow? So the right answer is option number B. Next question. Which is not a correct specify the wireless MAN OFDM physical interface? So the right answer in this question is frequency band is greater than 11 gigahertz. How many scheduling services are defined by the VMAX mobile? So the right answer is this question is option number D, 5. What is the association procedure? So the association procedure by means the MS acquires and record a ranging parameter of a target base station before and handoff. So the right answer is option number B. What happened the transmitting a signal with the band BS bigger than the coherence bandwidth BC of the channel? So the right answer to this question is option B. The received signal will be affected by ISI. ISI stands for intersymbol interference. What is the relation between the coherence time and the coherence bandwidth of the channel? So the right answer is they are uncorrelated. Option C is the correct. Next question. What is the region of OFDM? So the region of OFDM is a two-dimensional allocation of group of slots. So the right answer is option number A. Next question. Which is the wrong statement about the service of flow? So the wrong statement is always associated to a connection. So the right answer is option number A. option B is the wrong statement. What is the relation between the coherence time and the coherence bandwidth of a channel? So they are uncorrelated. Which is FFT size defined the wireless man over BM physical layer? So the right answer is this question is 256. How many components have vMAX system profile? So there will be five component have vMAX system provide. Next question, vMAX objective question. 26. How many kind of MAC header are defined a MAC frame mount without payload? So the right answer is option number C2. I think this question is repeated. Which is the reference point the implement next question. Which is the reference point that implement the 802.16 standard? So the right answer is option number D, R1. Next question. Which of the five physical interfaces defined in the 802.16 standard are considered by the vMAX? So the right answer is this question is option number A, B, both are correct. Next question, question number 21. Which of these the permutation modes are part of contiguous permutation family? So the right answer is option number B is the correct. AMC is the right answer. Next question. What is the cause of fading? The cause of fading is the reception of the receiver of the multiple version of same signal due to multiple progression. So the right answer is option number C is the correct. Which broadcast message describe the burst profile that can be used on the uplink channel? So the right answer is option number B, UCD. A payload header suppression allowed to reduce the redundant information in the payload header in the MAC HDU of the higher layer. This statement are true or false? So friend, this statement are false. Next question. Payload header suppression follow the same rules both ATM and packet convergence sublayer. So this statement are true. Payload header suppression is mandatory feature defined by the 802.16 standard. So this statement is true. What is the ranging? So the ranging is the procedure to use by the SS to acquire the correct transmission parameter. So the right answer is option number B. So friends, यदि ये आपको वीडियो अच्छी लगे तो इसे लाइक, सब्सक्राइब और शेयर ज़रूर करें और मेरे चैनल को ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा शेयर करें और वीडियो को ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा शेयर करें ताकि ये वीडियो स्टूडेंट तक पहुँचे और उनके एग्ज़ाम के लिए हेल्पफुल हो। और मेरे चैनल को प्लीज़ सब्सक्राइब करें और कमेंट में ज़रूर बताएं कि इससे रिलेटेड और भी आपको क्वेश्चन चाहिए या नहीं। तब तक के लिए थैंक यू फ्रेंड।